When it comes to selling digital products, you don't need money in order for you to get started. You can literally have $0 to your name today and you can still make 10K. You do not need anything to get started with selling digital products. So today I want to help you. If you're broke, if you've been struggling, if you don't have any money to your name, if you're wondering how you can get started today, you guys, in this video, by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to get your digital product up and launched with $0 to your name. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. How to start selling digital products with $0. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara. If you are new here, I'm a full-time entrepreneur, and on this channel I teach you guys how to use your passion, your gifts, and how to make digital products so that you can make money living a life of freedom, living a life that you deserve to live, even doing like I did and quitting your job so that you can do what you want to do every single day. So you guys, when it comes to selling digital products, a lot of times people think you have to have so much money or you need to buy this course or that course. And honestly, you guys, even though I sell courses and I sell digital products to help people on their journey, you do not have to buy a course and you do not have to have any money to get started. If you have time, you're able to make digital products and you're able to still make money. Now, if you don't have time, you need to buy a course. You need to buy something that's going to help you on your journey to give you a faster push so that you can get your digital product business launched. But if you're someone who does not have any money, you're saying, Tiara, I don't have $1 to my name, but I still need to make money today, I want to help you. So when it comes to a digital product, in case you don't know what a digital product is, it's going to be something that you can sell digitally. This can be a ebook, a PDF file, a course, a template, a checklist, literally anything that you can sell to someone online without having to ship physical inventory. You don't have to keep any inventory on hand. You don't have to send anything to your customer's address. You're literally uploading it online and your website will automatically deliver it to their email after they have purchased. So when it comes to a digital product, this is one of the easiest ways to get started, making passive income, and there's no headache, honestly, you guys, to get started. So when it comes to how to get started with $0, the first thing you want to do is make sure you pick a profitable niche. When it comes to picking a profitable niche, this is going to be something that you can go into and you have experience or knowledge or education in. I always tell you guys to start with something that you already know a lot about so that you can talk about it every single day without getting tired of talking about it. You don't want to overcomplicate it. You don't want it to start with something that you don't even know anything about. You want to start with something that you like, something you love to do, and something that you can show up and do online every single day. Now, if you're someone who's saying, you know, I don't know what to start with, I don't know how to get started, then you need to write down what it is that you have experience in. You need to write down what it is that people come to you for advice on, and you need to make sure that you put a list of things together and choose the one thing that may be profitable for you. So when it comes to finding out if this is going to be a profitable niche, you can ask Google to, tell you how many people are searching for this. You can look here on YouTube and you can see how many people are searching for whatever idea it is that you have. If you know that you're trying to work out and you know that you've been consistent for the last 8 months, you can start in the fitness industry. If you know that you like to get dressed up and get cute, you can start in the clothing industry. Like whatever it is that you're doing every single day, you want to create content around that, and you want to create your first digital product in that industry. Now, I don't want to go too far into talking about a niche and talking about your target audience. I have plenty of videos about that, so if you need to know more about it, just go back and watch my videos that I've already uploaded. Today I want to give you the step-by-step breakdown of how to get started with your digital products with $0. So once you know who it is that you're talking to, you know the problem that you're going to solve, you want to decide on the digital product that you want to create. This can be a checklist, this can be a ebook, this can be a mini course or a full course, this can be a membership, this can be planners, it can be a journal. Like whatever it is that you have time to create, this is what you can get started with. Now when it comes to which one is going to be best for you, it depends on first what it is that your target audience needs. Whatever you decide to create for your digital product, you want to make sure that it's still the solution for the problem that your target audience has. So if you decide that you want to create planners or journals, you can be someone who help people in the self-care industry. A lot of people are looking to buy journals because they want to start having, you know, a day in a day reflection. You know, they want to start writing down what it is that they may be feeling on the inside. They want to heal. They may be going through a heartbreak and they need to just release that energy. If you're someone who's helping people in the relationship advice industry, like whatever it is that you choose, you want to make sure that that journal or that planner is helping them step by step, you know. So most of the time when we're looking at buying planners, we're trying to stay organized. We want to make sure that every single day we have a routine. So maybe you want to create a journal, or maybe you want to create a planner that's going to help them to stay on track with whatever they're doing in the self-care industry. That's for someone who's in the self-care industry. Or if you decide that you want to go into the fitness industry, you may want to give them a checklist of what they need to do every single day to make sure that they have that routine. If you decide you want to just give information and you want to help them with losing 20 pounds, you can create an ebook. If you say I want to take it a step further and I want to show them the routines that I'm doing every single day in the fitness industry, you can record yourself doing those workouts and you can post, and you can have an online course where in your course you're showing them the exact things to do, how many times to do these workouts, you know, what to target, what weights they need, and all of these things. So depending on what it is that you're doing in your industry is how you're going to decide on what works best for you. And once you have your ebook, your course, your checklist, or whatever you decide to start selling, the next thing you need to do is have somewhere to sell. They have websites like Gumroad and PayHelp where you're able to literally get started free. With Gumroad, I have used Gumroad before, and Gumroad charge you 10% in order for you to start selling on there. Now with Gumroad, when I was selling on Gumroad, you had to get paid only on Fridays. So just say today is Monday, you won't get paid until the following week because they have to verify your account and they use Stripe. So I don't know why it takes so long, but for some reason it's like a work check. You get paid the week after, not the week of. So once you get started with Gumroad, you're able to upload a course, you're able to upload a PDF file, an audio file, like any digital product that you want to sell, you can sell it on Gumroad, and Gumroad will not charge you. The only thing they do is take 10% out of each sale that you make. So if you're selling something that's $100, they will take 10% of that 100 for each sale that you sell onto their platform. So another website that you can use will be PayHelp. Now PayHelp is similar to Gumroad, but the difference is they don't make you wait until Friday to get paid. It is a beginner friendly website to get started with. With PayHelp, you're able to have a website feel look instead of just having your digital products. It can look like an actual website. Amount is $0, but they take 5% if you choose their free version. They have a plus version, which which is $29 a month, and they only take a 2% transaction fee. And then they have the pro version, which is $99 a month, and there's no transaction fee for that. So if you wanted to start and you wanted to go the method that we're talking about today, which is $0 for someone who has $0, no money to be able to use, you can still use PayHelp, and you can literally only be charged 5% per transaction. So you will pay $0 a month, to use PayHelp, but it is a 5% transaction, which is okay for a beginner, because that means that you're able to still make sales without having to spend money in order to make money. Now, when it comes to where you're going to sell, social media, you guys, we literally have $1,000 phones in our hands, and you have access to people everywhere around the world. So that means that you are able to market your digital products free of charge using social media. You can get on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. Like, we have so many different places that we can literally have a audience. So you have to decide on which platform works best for you. Now, I always say to start with one social media platform at a time, and you want to dominate that platform. You want to start with one social media platform so that you're not spreading yourself thin, and so that you're able to upload consistently at least once every single day. So when it comes to marketing, you want to choose wherever it is that you decide, whichever platform you have enough knowledge in to get started with. You want to create a page targeting your target audience. Don't start with a page that you already have unless it's a page that you've been running businesses on already. If you're starting brand new, you want to start with a page that's totally fresh, so that you can post consistent content around a certain audience, around a certain niche, around a certain problem for a specific group. So you want the algorithm to be able to push you into the feed of people who need whatever it is that you're trying to sell. And that, you guys, is how you're going to start selling digital products with $0. It's literally not rocket science. All you have to do is take the time and get it done. So if you don't have any money to get started, this is going to be the blueprint that you need to take in order for you to make your first sale. Now, if you're someone who's saying, okay, I'm ready to make an investment and I want to go ahead and get started in 24 hours, you can literally purchase my Done For You PLR mini course. My course literally teaches you guys exactly what to do step by step so that you can get started with your first digital product. I'm giving you all of the digital products that you can sell. You can choose inside of my PLR vault what it is you want to sell. You can take one out of it, you can take 10 out of it, you can bundle them together. You can literally sell what I'm giving you, and you can start your digital product in 24 hours. In this course, I'm showing you step by step of what to do, how to get it uploaded, and how you can get started so that you can make your first 10K. So if you're interested and you're ready to get started, make sure you go ahead and grab that 10K PLR mini course down below in my description, as well as the first comment of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.